paid you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
That 5 for you, I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, give me looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah, it was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
This girl, man, from around my way. Never try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught up. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion, make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give up the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare.
Morning guys, morning. I hope you guys are good. It is a Sunday morning. I am in front of the church now, the Hillsongs in Parklands. Guys, I don't even know how it works here. Sure. I don't know how it works here. I see people are going out. I think it's the 8 o'clock service, 8:30 service that is leaving now. It is now 5 to 10. The 10 o'clock service should most probably start. I don't know how it works. But people are standing outside and having conversation. So I don't know. Don't even know where to go. I really don't know. But yeah, I'm here wanting to praise the Lord, continuing my journey that I stopped way back looking for a church. So I'm coming to try this one out. I wanted to go to the one in Century City, but I was late, so I didn't opt to come. So let's go. Cheers for now. Let's go. Hey guys, I am back on my way back from church. Oh, it was amazing, so as I told you guys this morning, I was gonna go to Hillsongs in Century City, but I initially thought that the church starts at 10 o'clock, but it starts at 10:30. So I thought that I was gonna be late for the Century City one for 10 o'clock if it were to start at 10 o'clock, but it didn't. It started at 10:30. So I came to this one in Cornerstone here in Parklands. Oh, it was a great decision that I came to church, guys. It was amazing. It was amazing. I thought that the only mainstreaming from the one in Parklands, I didn't know that they have preachers also this side. It was amazing. I'm definitely gonna come back. The service was amazing. The people were very friendly. I thoroughly enjoyed the service, the worshiping, everything. So yeah, I am on my way home now. So yeah, I just thought I should let you guys know that I came from church. I went to go worship the Lord, and we are on our way home now. So yeah, cheers for now. And actually, you know what? At 6 minutes away, I'm already home. As I was talking to you guys, I was driving. I'm driving and I've already actually arrived. I am already at home. It's literally 6 minutes away from home. So that's why I'm saying that's also one of the things that will make me definitely come back. And I think even if they live stream, it really doesn't make a big difference, because you still feel the presence, because the worshiping was mainstreaming, because they say that their worshiping team didn't come in today because most of the team members are sick with flu. So but the preaching was live. So yeah, anyway, bye for now, guys. I'm at home. I need to open the gate with my phone.
Don't know when my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mornings, everything is faded. Maybe this is called my definition of jaded. This stays on my mind, this stays on my mind. Trying to put a muzzle on my crazy feelings. 1 minute I'm cold and then the next I'm tripping on. With somebody new, I swear she don't deserve it. Oh, it's still on my mind, she's still on my mind. Do we build it up?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, it is a Tuesday afternoon after work. I am tired. I thought I was going to cook. Left the office thinking that I'm gonna cook, because the food that we were supposed to eat tonight, you guys decide to eat it during the day.
Cause we were hungry vloggers. My brother think
But it could have made you bread or something else to eat.
they just with us spot bread.
So I thought I was gonna cook when I came home, but no. I'm tired. I am about to go to bed, to get in bed. But I'm just waiting for Mr. Delivery to bring food, what I've ordered, and then I'll go back. Then I'll go to bed because I'm tired and it's cold. Anyway, guys, cheers for now. Hey guys, welcome back. It is a Wednesday afternoon. It's after work. It is around 5:30. I'm back already from the office and I am quickly making something to eat. So I thought I should just hop in and say quickly, guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you've watched up until here, please give me a big thumbs up or a heart in the comment section. Guys, I appreciate and I love your support. Please do not forget to comment, to like, and to subscribe. Most importantly, to share my content with people that you guys think that is going to relate. Guys, as I said, it's a Wednesday afternoon, so I'm really tired, and you can see I look even tired on my face. So I'm just making something quickly to eat, and then I will see you guys on the next vlog, which is then going to be my sister's 50th vlog, where we will then go away for the weekend. Yes. Yes, I'm excited for that. But anyway, my pots are gonna burn. See you in the next one. Till next time, guys.
Page you the same way, only keep the fam around me, so let me know.